Are outdated leads ruining your sales game? It's time to eliminate data decay. Amplemarket provides unbeatable B2B data enrichment. Validate and enhance your customer information seamlessly. With just a prospect's email or social profile, our system creates a full, actionable lead profile. Get real-time insights with AI-driven buying intent analysis. Know exactly who's eyeing your competitors and strike while the iron is hot. Combat stale contacts in your CRM. Keep records fresh and opportunities visible. Personalize your outreach effortlessly. More detailed data means messages that resonate with buyers. Boost your productivity. Say goodbye to bounced emails and hello to verified contacts. Avoid wasted ad spend. Maximize your marketing ROI with precise audience targeting. Ready to supercharge your sales? Don't miss out. Visit our website today and unlock your potential.